Okay guys, so I'm here with my slime, and this is how it worked out, just like in the last video. My daddy's in my office, and in his office, and this is how the slime worked out. It pretty does work out very well. So y'all, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon and type in Willow's World and you'll see my horse video. And now I got a slime video with two horse videos of two horses, and make sure to like and subscribe of that horse video and hit that bell icon up there. Right up there, yep, all the way to the ceiling, right there. And the slime is pretty good. Look at that. You can see the sparkles very good. Is something in the slime, y'all? Yeah, it is. Okay, now it's out of the slime. Okay, y'all. So here's my slime. I love it very much. And like, subscribe. We will send some t-shirts one day, probably. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.